Alrighty, back again. Hello. This is week number 3 of the fiber gifts this year. And I'm not going to beat around the bush. We're just going to open it up because it's kind of exciting. I won't throw it this time though. Alright, I don't know if I can get all this on my arms. I'm going to try. Hiya. Hiya. Ah, hiya. Yay! So just a ton of fiber. I think we may have done something similar before. But this is a conservation breed bundle, so all of these breeds here in front of me are conservation wolves, which is pretty cool. So we've got Lonk top here, L-O-N-K, which is maybe my favorite name of a breed of sheep that I've ever heard. And this is a huge bag. I think this is the 500 gram bags, which is gigantic. So if you need a whole lot of Lonk, here you go. It's a great opportunity to get some. We have also got Wensleydale. Everyone likes Wensleydale. This is so to describe the Lonk, it's kind of like a mid-range coarseness, not too coarse, but not fine either. Very slick, kind of a very interesting, almost BFL-like texture. Very, just slick, I guess, is the best way I can describe it. Wensleydale, of course, everyone knows. Surprisingly soft to touch, but kind of also a little bit, how to describe it without making it sound not good. Crunchy is really the word that comes to mind, but it's not crunchy to touch, if that makes sense. It's kind of like a not super crimpy, very straight, very shiny wool. It's really nice. So if you like Wensleydale, or if you've never tried Wensleydale, here's an opportunity to get some. Jacob, everyone knows about Jacob. This is a natural color stripe. So it's got some natural white, it's got some natural brown. It may even have some natural gray in here. It's a little bit hard to tell. Looks like it is a really dark natural brown and then kind of a heathered natural brown, which is so pretty. And what's really cool about these natural stripe tops, we have a couple of different ones, but what's really cool about these is if you spin them, it kind of turns into like this heathery look in your final yarn, and you don't even have to do anything, which is really cool. You just spin it as it is. So Jacob, of course, which is kind of, again, like a coarse to mid-coarse sort of wool there. And then we also have Swaledale, which is a fun name also. This is fairly coarse. But it has just this beautiful, it's really hard to tell from far away. I'll get up close here in just a second. It's got this just gorgeous natural heather to it as well. And this is a natural white, but it has these like flecks of a natural dark fiber in there as well, which is really beautiful. So, given all of this huge bundle, I want to let you know, it's going to go on sale on October 27th. And then also it is 50% off for this whole bundle. He's feeling very generous, I guess. Father Christmas, I suppose. And this is going to be just shy of $37 for the whole bundle. 36 something, 90 something. So if you need wool, this is a good time to get some if you need it, especially this long, because there's quite a lot here. So yeah, check it out.